Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you need to find where the AFS fuses are located, it's up to 3 of them. That's the adaptive front lighting system fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time. What's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the AFS fuses, that is guys the adaptive front lighting system fuses. So you have 3 fuses that we need to check in one fuse box. You have multiple fuse boxes in that generation Toyota Corolla. We will work in one, and you need to open guys the driver door. Once you open the driver door, if you look under the dash on the left side, look upside down on the bottom of the dash on the left side, you will find a white cover that looks like this one. Pop it open. Underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout that will look exactly like this one here. Now before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here guys, for the AFS fuse, for the AFS system, which fuses we need to check. Oh, by the way guys, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them for any car, practically Toyota Corolla or any car. That way you do not waste your money and time. This row of fuses is fuse 1 through 16. This is 17 through 32. Here we need to guys check 3 fuses. Coming here, that's 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. Fuse number 23 needs to be checked. Fuse number 24 and fuse number 25. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.